Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County in southwestern Ohio, southwestern Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, southeastern Butler County in southwestern Ohio, northeastern Claremont County in southwestern Ohio, northeastern Hamilton County in southwestern Ohio, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mason, moving east at miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Middletown, Mason, Lebanon, Sharonville, Monroe, Blue Ash, Maryland, Montgomery, Manchester, Westchester, Morrow, Old Westchester, Kings Island, Wellington, South Lebanon, Woodhill, Mainville, Clarksville, Harvaisburg, and Goshen. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 18 and 45. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 18 and 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. You are